Hey guys, and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be doing a review. So I got an email from a Amazon seller who said, hey, would you mind reviewing this product right here? It's a smartwatch. And of course, I love reviewing things and giving great reviews as long as things work, as long as they are legit, and as long as I get to leave, like I said, good reviews. So the box is here. So basically what you can do in order to get one for yourself, if you're watching this video, down in the description box is a email. Email this person at this email and say that C'Aira sent you. That way you get it for free. You get to try it as well. And you can leave a review for the smartwatch that I am about to unbox. So if you're a new subscriber here, welcome. And if you're an old subscriber, welcome back. I hope that you guys join me today because I will be unboxing a smartwatch. All right, so let's go ahead and just open up what came inside of the box. All right, so on the inside, you're gonna get some lovely bubble wrap. And then on the inside, here is the smartwatch. So if you go ahead and see that it comes in this little box right here. This is, I'm going to spell it, Uhoofit smartwatch for men, full 20 mode sports countdown. And so, yeah, it comes just like this. So what you want to do is simply open it. All right, so let's talk about what comes in here first. On top, you see a user manual. So for the smartwatch, it comes with a user manual. And on the inside, it gives a code for extended warranty with the activation code. And then as you can see here, you can see that it gives you dial settings. So you can also check the pedometer, the sleep monitor, access to the stopwatch, alarm, sedentary reminder, heart rate, messaging, pushing, and then it has a couple of frequently ask questions and answers. And then on the back you will see that it has an app that you can download at the top. So then you can check the weather, you can do exercising. As far as the exercising, you can display the walking, running, cycling, badminton, and basketball, and then it tells you how to charge it up. And then it also tells you how to pair it. And then it looks like it has a remote shutter and a music control. So let's go ahead and see how this works. So it comes with a charger and then the actual watch itself. And then on the inside of it, if you take this piece out right here, you'll see that there is another band in here. It's like, it's elastic. So you can, oh, that's nice. It's not elastic. So you can't really pull it. But anyways, this is how you turn it on. By pushing the button. All right. So, of course, I'm going to have to set the time because it is not 16:53 and it is not Sunday the 1st. So, go ahead and if you slide it up, sliding it up says that it is empty. Okay, if you turn it on and you slide it to the left, there are a bunch of little apps that are going to pop up here. All right, so I want you guys to see it in full effect if I put it on and get it to tighten. So let me take you guys into the world of this smartwatch. All right, so if you turn it on and you swipe left, there's going to be a bunch of the apps. So you have a flashlight. You also have a speedometer where it's going to tell you how many steps you've taken. Looks like as of right now, I have 70. You can push the button on the side to go back to the home button. You can easily turn off the volume with that button. You can hit messages, which is empty because I have not paired it. You have a stopwatch. You can check the weather when the watch is paired. And then there's also a shutter button, but it has to be paired as well. So if you all think that this is a really great watch and you guys want to give it a try, remember to go to my description box, copy and paste the email that is listed for the Amazon seller. Send them an email and just say, hey, I seen C'Aira's video for the stopwatch review, and give them my name, and then they will be able to gift you the money for trying out one of these stopwatches. I'm sorry, these smartwatches. And then you will receive yours in the mail, and hopefully you'll give them a great review too. It's a really cute watch, and it does a lot of amazing things. And I like how, even though it says it's for men, I was able to fit it on my wrist. It's not moving, and it's not being flickered around. It's not going anywhere. So be sure to send them an email if you want one. Also, be sure to give this video a huge thumbs up, and make sure that you're subscribed to my channel for more.